Do you ever wonder, why do I have so much clutter? While decluttering strategies are fantastic, to keep a clutter-free home and live a more minimalistic lifestyle, we need to first understand why we have so much clutter in the first place. In this video, I will share 5 of the main reasons why we have so much clutter and what to do about it. What is clutter? Clutter is simply anything that you're keeping that doesn't add value to your life. So why are we holding on to so many things? So reason number 1, it's hard to identify what clutter is and what it isn't. You've essentially become clutter blind. How can you possibly begin to get rid of things if you don't actually identify them as clutter? This is very common because we live in our homes day in and day out, so it's difficult to be objective. To us, it might appear that everything is in its designated space, when in reality, we're just used to it. Here's the solution. Take pictures of every area in your home and study them. Often seeing your home in pictures gives you a different perspective, at times a shocking one. I also recommend that you show or send photos to friends and family members and let them maybe give you tips on what doesn't belong or appears cluttersome. Is cluttersome even a word? Reason number 2 why you have too much clutter. You buy things that you don't need. Here I am talking to all of you ladies who declutter and then somehow find clutter just making its way back into your home. How often do we shop, see a lovely coffee mug at HomeGoods and purchase it even though we didn't set out to? How many coffee mugs do you need? The solution? Don't purchase things you didn't set out to buy. When I go food shopping or otherwise, I always make a list. It serves 2 purposes. It ensures I don't forget anything and keeps me from buying things I shouldn't, no matter how tempting it might be. Yes, that requires a lot of self-discipline. I also don't go shopping on days where I'm feeling stressed or I'm feeling anxious, because I am more likely to spend more. Something that has helped me and my clients in the past is, for example, on those impulsive days, browsing Amazon for pretty things, adding to cart, and then never actually purchasing it. Retail therapy without the spending. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Reason number 3 you have too much clutter. Your items don't have a home to go to. Keeping a minimalist clutter-free home is more than just about decluttering. It's about proper organization. My home is super small, and I have maximized use of every single inch of it. I completely understand that it's stressful enough to declutter, and now it might feel like you have to learn a whole new skill in organizing. What you might not realize is that not having bins, shelves, drawers actually makes your home appear more cluttered. So here's the solution. Purchase storage containers and organizers to fit your specific items. It can be tempting to just buy a ton of containers and call it a day, but what you will find is that they might not actually fit your space. Measure before buying. A pro tip, I recommend that you invest in clear bins for storage, so you can easily see what's inside and don't forget to label it. Number 4, why you have way too much clutter in your home. You have a hard time letting go of things. Take it slow. It can be very difficult letting go, especially sentimental items. Start with decluttering items that are easier. Clothing, makeup, hair products. Build up decluttering momentum. It helps to let go of things when you donate the items or pass them on to family and friends. Number 5, you don't regularly declutter as part of your daily routines. Do a little each day, 60 seconds, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you can spare. Most importantly, once you've decluttered and left all you need, don't succumb to the shopping itch. For a detailed list of what to declutter in each and every room, you can grab my free Ultimate Mom's Decluttering Guide. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks so much for watching, and always remember to be good to yourselves.